So here we have my 1973-71 Down couple miles one way or the other. Compact Electra C8 with the daisies on the side. Reason I got her out is because just got done putting a motor in it this weekend. The previous motor that was in there was completely shot. We had terrible grinding noise and decreased performance. So the whole housing has been taken apart. Wire's been replaced, the motor's been replaced, a brand new lamp, Amtech 2-stage motor's been put on. I've painted the cap here, nice golden color. So it's coming out okay, but it is gold. Oh, as the floorboard has been cleaned as well, it's been shined in detail. This one has been in my collection for about 6 or 7 months. I've painted as well the emblem right here where it says compact. We're missing the T, but it does say compact on it. So we'll open up the lid. Nice sketch, by the way. Been using it. Why not, right? So it's been rebuilt. Not too much dust. It's got an Enviro care bag, cloth bag as well. And here we have put in the filter for it. That's been upgraded as well. That is now a full HEPA down to 0.3 micron. We're no longer using the foam filter. So we have the paper bag, cloth bag, and motor filter in this. And here it's a little dark, but there is the motor for it. If I can get my phone to do some light in there, that'd be nice. Oh, here you can just about see it. There we go. The motor's been replaced in here. All nice and clean. There you go. Just about seen the motor's been replaced. It's nice and shiny in there. Housing has been cleaned and detailed. The handle has been cleaned as well. The body's in great condition. When I got it, it needed the bumper detail and needs it again, but that will be done soon. The cord on it is in great shape. No problems there. I've upgraded the hose. As you can see, the hose has been upgraded as well. I'd say about 7 or 8 feet electric hose needs a cleaning, but it does work. And here is all my golden tools for it as well. So all the golden attachment have been given a couple of coats of golden paint. Just to spice things up a little bit, make it pretty. It's not perfect, but it'll do. And the upholstery tools with the words cyclonic. I do have the grill that goes in the upholstery tool. It's upstairs, but it has been painted a nice, lovely golden color. They were a bit discolored, so nice paint job and came out great. Here is the rug shoe that goes at the bottom of the floor tool for the rug. That has been cleaned and painted as well. As you can see, beautiful golden color. So we have the golden tool set right there. The filters and the body with the daisies on the sides. bumper needs to be cleaned a little bit. That said, I just put a new motor in it. So this is a walk around. This is the hose. The handle has been changed. No suction relief on this model, but does have a power takeoff socket for the power head. The hose is about 4 years old, but this being a C8 would have come with a straight suction hose, and I have rugs in the house, so I've upgraded to this electric hose with new pigtail at both ends. The power head has been matched to the tools as well to keep the gold theme going. So power head is now a nice golden color as well. This is just a vent and does not adjust the wheels, it just bleeds air, and it's just a vent. Underneath, if I can get it down, underneath the brush roll has been replaced as well. Can't see it now, can you? But the bristle has been replaced in it. Needs a cleaning, but it works. And we have the original cyclonic flow tool. Nice bristles, nice sole plate, all metal. It's a bit dirty. I do use it. There's no museum piece. It does get used. So maybe if we take a gander, we can have a look inside here. This motor is brand new from eBay. Brand new. No mileage at all. And while I had the body apart, I took all the cords out and gave it a good clean inside. As you can tell, even the suction lid here is in great shape. As you can tell, it's all in great condition, and here is the lower port that's been cleaned as well. So it's been a full restoration. The switch here does move around a bit, but it works. I won't bother with it. So this vacuum has been completely gone through and rebuilt from A to B. Everything on it is brand new. From the bag to the motor to the filter to the emblem on it as well. Let's see. Compact, that's what it says. Casters has been cleaned as well. Front and back. The bumper needs a bit of a polish, but it can be done at a later date. So there's the compact. The motor has been replaced. The hose, all the wiring, all the tools, the filter, and the bags have all been replaced. Brand new. It's a complete restoration. Everything. And the power head was rebuilt a few years back as well. So we'll open up the lid. Insert the filter. Put in the bag. Always use both cloth and paper. Close up the lid. Don't get your finger caught in there. Plug in the hose. A bit hard to do one-handed. And we'll give it a run for y'all to hear how smooth it is with its new motor. So bear with me while I test them on. 1 minute, please. Okay, we are back after those commercials. As they say, I really need to get a tripod, do I? Oh boy. Okay. We will plug her in. Give her a go. For y'all. See that? So back in the 70s, 71, you would get a compact. You get the machine, the hose, the wand, floor tool, and all your attachment, the power head with the wand, and storage ottoman. That is the complete kit right here with the extra wands. I do have as well the owner's manual for the compact C8 and C9. I might get a new motor for the blue one, I'm not sure, as this one has been running so good. I don't see the need for another compact as I already have a CXL, but we will see. So we'll plug her in, as you see. Got a little long cord, and we'll give it a go. That's it. That's the noise she makes so much better. Hear that airflow. A lot of air. It sticks to the floor. And a smooth wind down. How great is that? So there's the compact C8, fully restored. Catch you on the flip side. Comment and subscribe to the Vacuumatic IUC compact C8.